Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So in this video number 11 of learning Darts, we are going to understand the difference between continue and break statement which we used in while, do, while, for or switch case. So here I say 11 break continue dot dart. Here I say void main, and here we are going to understand this. Suppose I have a for loop. Remember that I'm using here for loop, but you can use while also, you can use do while also, you can use other also. Concept is same. Suppose I say int equal to I 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Remember that? I want to run this for loop. I say print and I say I equal to I like this. If I run this program and I say dart run 11 break continue, you see it executing 0 1 2 3 4. It's a normal execution. But suppose there is a condition I want, if I become 4 then it should come out. So I say if I is equal to 4, then it should not execute again. I say it's a break, remember, and I tell it to 10. I say it run become 0 to 10. So it should run from 0 to 9, but I say if I equal to 4, then it should break, means it should not run. After that, I run it and you see it executing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it executing 5 times. But when I become 4, then it come out and break. So it break from the for loop. Remember that? From the for loop, it break. So if you have such kind of condition, if you are searching something in your for loop and that thing is found and then you want to break, so you can break it like this. One more condition, suppose you want that if 4 is found but I don't want to break, I don't want to print it. I say continue, remember, but I don't want to print it. Remember that we have to check this condition also. If I am using it before this condition, then it will display. Remember that, check it in front of you. Suppose we have a statement 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the values are printing. Why? Because we are checking condition after printing it. But if I do after that like this, remember. So you see that I'm checking first if this is 4, then continue, means in case of 4, do not execute the rest of the statement in this loop. If I is 4, but you can execute on all the condition, on other all conditions. You see, if I execute it, we would not have a 4. You see 3, then 5. So 4 is not here. Why? Because if I say condition I is 4, then continue, means you have to skip all the statement and go to the next statement. So it's going for 5. Suppose if I say I is greater than 2 and I is less than 5. Remember that. Now it would not execute during this time. You see, I run this and you see the condition. If it is 2, okay, but if it's greater than 2, then become 3. It's not coming here. If it is 4, it is not coming here, but 5 is coming here. If I say it is 8, once again you see. So 0, 1, 2, but it's not executing for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's executing for 8 only. Remember the 9. So with the help of this continue, you can decide when you want to skip rest of the statement from this loop. Whether it is for loop, whether it is a while loop, whether it is a do, it doesn't matter. It just the same concept. If you want to skip some line of code on a particular condition, use continue. If you want to go out from the for loop on particular condition, use the break statement. Okay. Depend on you what you are using. Just change the condition, behavior of this would change, but everything is similar in all the loops which you are using. So this is the difference between break and continue. We also use break in switch case, and how to use break in switch case that we are going to learn in next video. So if you like it, please do subscribe, like this video, share to your friend, and thank you for watching this video.